Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing and a, FYI, things you should know before you buy the Bychari or Bychari, Sherry. I'm not really sure how to say it, but I'm just gonna pronounce it as Bychari. But the Bychari original spaced letter necklace. So my husband bought this recently for me as an early Mother's Day gift, and I absolutely love it. I think it's such a thoughtful gift. And I was actually quite surprised when it came in the mail for me. I didn't think that my husband would be able to pick out something so cute and so thoughtful, but it's just absolutely perfect. And when I was doing some research about this necklace after I got it, I really couldn't find much about it. And when you look on their Instagram page, it's not really clear like what products are being shown. So I thought I would make this video today just to help out any of you who are looking into buying this necklace, or if you need a gift idea for Mother's Day or a birthday, Christmas, Valentine's Day, any gift for a female in your life. I think this is a very, very good gift. Alright guys, so let's jump right in. Alright, so like I mentioned in the intro of this video, I got the original spaced letter necklace, and my husband bought this for me in the small letter size. So this necklace does come in two sizes, the large and the small. And this is the box that the necklace comes in. And then of course, when it came in the mail, there was like an outer box around it. But yeah, this is the actual like gift box that the necklace comes in. When you open it, inside there is a receipt and also a like care card. And then on the back, it just has like their return policy, a note about custom pieces, repairs, and then also care for their diamond pieces. So it's kind of nice that they just give you some instruction on how to care for your necklace. But this is the necklace that I got, and I'm trying to see if it's like, if there's a glare on camera. Okay, so there we go. I think you can see it now. But my husband bought this for me with 5 letters on it, so it just spells the name of our son. And you can get this necklace with a minimum of like 2 letters all the way up to 8 letters. And then the price does vary depending on how many letters you get on your necklace. So for just 2 letters, I believe the starting price is $235. And then with each letter that you add, it does get a little bit more expensive. So for 5 letters, I think when I checked on the website, it was around like $300. I don't remember the exact price. But yeah, it just goes up each step of the way. So I think like 3 letters is $265. And then 4 letters, I think is around $300. And then 5 letters, I think was around like $325 or something like that. So yeah, it just increases by the number of letters that you get on your necklace. And then in terms of material, it's come in 3 different types of metals. It comes in 14 karat gold, 14 karat rose gold, as well as silver. I think it's silver, or maybe white gold. I think it's silver though. The one that I have here is the 14 karat rose gold, and my husband got it for me in rose gold because the current necklace that I wear is rose gold. So he wanted to, get me a necklace that would match with my current one and not clash. So I thought that was super thoughtful, and I love rose gold anyways, and I think it's my preferred metal of choice. So I'm really glad that he got this one for me in the rose gold. And then the thing that I found that was most difficult when I was kind of looking for more information about this necklace afterwards, just to do some research and see, what else they offer. This necklace does come in like a small letter size and a large letter size. So mine, like I said, is the original spaced letter necklace in the small size. And it's actually not that small in my opinion. I think when you put it on, the letters are actually the absolute perfect size. I don't think that I would want the letters on my necklace to be any bigger. And the small size one is listed as a bestseller on their website. So I think most people do get the small. You go on their Instagram, they have a ton of photos with people wearing the original spaced letter necklace. But for whatever reason, on a lot of them, they'll tag the photos, or they'll tag the product in the photo, I think is the large letter necklace, when in reality, the necklace that the people are actually wearing is the small letter one. So if you go on their Instagram, it's not too helpful in terms of trying to figure out what size letters to get. But I would say that now that I have the small letter size in hand, I think I can safely say that most of the photos on their Instagram are of the small letter necklace. All right, so then this piece here just kind of pops out of the box, and then it's just like, as you can see, kind of like secured here. So I just bent the sides to take it out. Okay guys, sorry, I'm just gonna hold it back up against this backboard so you can kind of see the necklace as I'm talking about it. But so you can get this necklace in 3 different chain lengths. The one that I have here is the 16-inch, and then you can also get it in 18-inch or 20-inch. And then the really cool thing is that for each of the lengths, 16, 18, or 20, it comes with like an adjustable strap. So I don't know if you can see this, it might be kind of hard to see, but right now I have it on the 14-inch setting. So with the 16-inch length, you can adjust it down to 14 inches. With the 18-inch length, you can adjust it down to 16 inches. And then with the 20-inch length, you can adjust it down to 18 inches. So you basically get like 2 ways to wear your necklace. And like I said, I went for the 16-inch length with the option to size down to 14 inches. Because the necklace that I have on here, this one is a 16-inch, and you can see that when I like pull it all the way down, it hangs a little bit low. So I really wanted this necklace to like be right up against the base of my neck, and I think that that's the way it looks the best anyways with these letters. So I got it in the 16-inch to be able to convert to the 14, because 14 inches is what I really wanted for this necklace. But let me show you guys here. So this is the end of the necklace, but you can see that like there's this extra little like loop here, and then for the 16-inch length you would just hook the hook right here at the end. So then if you don't want the 16-inch and you want the 14-inch, you would just hook the little like hook eye closure right here, and then you just have like a really pretty little segment of chain that dangles in the back. So I think that's really, really neat. You can basically, like I said, have 2 different ways to wear this necklace, but for me, I always wear it on the 14-inch length just because you know, I'm just layering it with my current necklace. So I really want it to stand out and not be like the same length. In terms of the ship time, when I checked out their website, it did say that each piece is custom made, of course, if you know, get their letter necklace. And so it takes about 3 to 4 weeks time for shipping. I asked my husband when he ordered this one, and he said he ordered it around the beginning of April. So it did take about 4 weeks to get here. So if you're trying to get this for an occasion or as a gift, definitely plan ahead, because this is not going to be something that you're going to be able to get in the mail, you know, in like 1 week or 2 weeks. I don't know if they have like an expedited option, but you can definitely check that out and see. I would imagine that they do, probably for like an extra fee. But you know, the necklace is pretty expensive as it is, so if you don't want to pay extra, then definitely plan ahead. Okay, so I just took my other necklace off. So the other necklace that I wear, the diamond one that I just showed, that one's from Tiffany's, and I just wanted to show you guys the quality difference between the 2 necklaces. Alright, so I'm not sure how well you guys will be able to see this on camera, but this necklace right here is my Tiffany's necklace, and this one is the Bychari original letter space necklace. Now, both of these are 14 karat rose gold, but you can see that the chain on my Tiffany's necklace is a lot thicker, and it just looks sturdier than the chain on this Bychari necklace. So in terms of quality, I feel like the Bychari one is pretty good. I mean, there's no noticeable like, you know, defects or poor quality or anything like that, but Tiffany's necklace definitely feels weightier and more substantial, and I just feel like the chain is like finer made. Like, I don't know if that makes sense, because I know the Bychari one is actually finer and my Tiffany's one is thicker, but the workmanship on it just looks a lot finer, and then it just feels like a lot sturdier and, you know, wouldn't break as easily. So yeah, in terms of workmanship, quality, obviously the Tiffany's one is a lot better. The Bychari one, like I said, is not bad, but I just wanted to give you guys kind of a side-by-side comparison so you have an idea of what the quality is like. But it's by no means bad. I mean, for like $300, you know, it's pretty good. Of course, my Tiffany's one, even though it's better quality, it was a lot more expensive. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an idea of the quality compared to some other necklaces on the market. Alright guys, so then now I'm just going to put this on for you so that you guys can see what this necklace looks like on. Guys, so I currently have it on the 14-inch setting right now, so you can see that It's pretty close to the base of my neck. Like I said before, I really think that this spaced letter necklace really looks great in the 14-inch length. Sitting on the base of your neck, I think the letters just look really pretty there. Alright guys, so here's the necklace on the 16-inch setting. Alright, and let me move my current necklace for you guys, but you can see like on the 16-inch length, it sits a lot lower. So, I mean, I guess it's pretty like this as well. I haven't really worn it like this, but now that I'm looking at it in the camera, I kind of like it. But yeah, I think it just really depends on what your preferences are, what you're layering it with. But my preference is definitely for the 16-inch length with the 14-inch adjustable option. I think these two are the prettiest lengths for this necklace. The other kind of cool thing is that if you want to get another look out of this necklace, you can turn it around. So right now I have it turned backwards. So I have this chain on the 14-inch option, and then you can see there's like a really pretty little like chain drop here, and then the letters are on the back. So you could also wear it like this. The one other detail that I really like on this necklace is that at the end of the necklace, so like where you would connect the hook eye closure for the longer chain length, it is kind of like a, I don't know if you can see it, but it is a circle that's like cut in half. And then the top half does say like Bychari on it, so it's just a really pretty little detail that I think makes for like a good charm if you wanted to wear it this way. So kind of cool if you just want to change things up a little bit. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I do post videos every single Friday about fashion, life, and luxury. And this week I'm actually going to start another new series here on my YouTube channel, which is going to be a What I Wore This Week series. So those will go up every single Saturday or Sunday. So if you don't want to miss out, please make sure to hit that subscribe button below. I have links to this necklace down in the info box below, so if you're interested, you can go and check that out. I will also link my blog and my Instagram. On Instagram, I post my outfits every single day, and every week I'm styling one piece 5 different ways. So if you want some ideas about how to restyle some items in your wardrobe, how to shop your own closet, definitely go and check out my Instagram. Alright guys, thank you again so much for watching. I'll see you guys this weekend for a What I Wore This Week video. Bye!